Discover the AI revolution that's transforming content creation. Forget everything you know about writing for the web, SEO. Writing AI is here to change the game. This groundbreaking tool harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to craft SEO-optimized content that ranks higher and converts better. Here's why content creators are flocking to SEO. Writing AI. 1. Lightning-fast content generation. 2. Keyword optimization on autopilot. 3. Plagiarism-free original content every time. 4. Customizable tone and style to match your brand. 5. Multilingual capabilities for global reach. But it's not just about churning out words, SEO. Writing AI understands search intent, crafting content that resonates with both search engines and human readers. It's like having a team of expert copywriters and SEO specialists at your fingertips 24/7. Imagine cutting your content creation time in half while doubling your search rankings. That's the power of SEO writing AI. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or business owner, this tool is your secret weapon in the content arms race. Don't let your competitors outrank you. Join the AI writing revolution today and watch your online presence soar. Visit seowriting.ai now and experience the future of content creation. Your search rankings will thank you.